Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit your contact information in Mailchimp. This is Mailchimp.com website, and first I will log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Once you're inside your account, click on your account icon from this corner and go to Account and Billing. Click on Settings and select Contact Information. This is your profile information, which you can use to access multiple Mailchimp accounts. If you need to reset your username, password, or verify account changes, they will send you the link to your profile email address. This is it. Below your primary account contact, you can edit your account information from here, from this list. And to edit the contact information shown in your messages footer content, just below audiences in this account, click on edit next to the audience you want to edit the contact information for, and scroll down to how can recipients contact you, and here you can edit the contact information shown in your messages. You can edit your company, contact name, email address, phone number, address, city, zip code, and also the country from this list. And this is how to edit your contact information in Mailchimp. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.